Welcome to your June update from the Wikifarmer Library, where innovation meets inspiration in agriculture. This month, we explore how farmers are fighting back against extreme weather. From protecting olive trees from heat and drought, to reviving maize systems with green manure in India, and even turning waste into agricultural value, we highlight real-life regenerative and circular solutions in action. We also take a look at biocyclic vegan farming, a powerful model for animal-free soil fertility, and explore how Uganda's spice sector could unlock rural economic development. On the market front, we've got fresh insights into the Mediterranean tomato and watermelon harvests, plus tips to help EU growers master potato season. And for our home growers, June is bursting with ideas: top edible balcony plants, heat-resistant herbs, air-purifying houseplants, and even square-foot gardening to help you grow more in less space. The Wikifarmer Library continues to bring together knowledge that empowers farmers, gardeners, and food system changemakers worldwide. See you next month for more updates, and until then, stay curious and keep growing.